Namaste. Today I am going to make spicy pepper chicken. For that we need chopped onions, 2 bay leaves, then chili, green chili. Here it is zira, that is cumin. I instead of using powder jeera, I am using the raw jeera. I soaked this jeera in 20 minutes, like for 20 minutes I soaked in water. Then I am using only one tomato here. I'm going to grind this tomato also. Then garlic and ginger, then pepper you can put a little more also if you want, according to your taste you can put more also. Then salt, turmeric powder, then this is dhania powder, this is homemade dhania powder. Then chili powder little will put. And for cooking oil I'm using mustard oil. You can use refined oil also, and I'm using ghee also. Then here chicken. So I didn't marinated the chicken, only I put little turmeric and salt. So we'll start. Now we'll start. Now I'm putting some oil. Oil should be little more we have to use, as I'm going to fry the chicken first, so that's why I'm using little more oil. Then I'm also adding little ghee, now I'll add little zira here. Now I'm going to put the chicken. The oil is ready. I'm going to add the chicken now. So as you can see, I'm going to fry this chicken for 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes, like that. I'm going to fry this. Then after that only after that I'll take out the chicken and I'm going to add the spices and other things. So after 4-5 minutes we'll take out the chicken, this fried chicken. Now again we'll put little oil. Little oil is enough. Now put the zira, then this bay leaf, after grinding tomato, ginger, garlic, and I also used dry chilli also, so it will look like this. The paste will be like this. Now I am going to add the onions. Keep the flame in medium. Cook the onions in medium flame. Cook the onions till it becomes soft. We'll put some salt, then it will cook fast. So put little turmeric powder also now. So So once the onion is cooked, now we can add the masala, this grinded masala. And after that, jeera is already I use the jeera, so now I'm going to use dhania powder. So 2 spoon dhania powder is enough, and little chilli powder. While cooking, we can add little water so that it should not stick to the kadai. So we have to cook the masala nicely first till it starts leaving oil. We have to cook the masala. As you can see, the masala is ready. It is cooked nicely. Now we can add the chicken. You can see the chicken will look like this. Now you can put the pepper. If you want more, you can add little more pepper. Just mix it well, and put the green chilli now. Now we'll add little water. And we will cover this for 5 to 6 minutes. We'll cook in low to medium flame. So you can see once the chicken is done, it will look like this. If you don't need gravy, you can add little water. I need the gravy, so I put little more water. So gravy is there, like you can have with the rice and chapati. So if you want garam masala, you can add garam masala while adding all the masala. That time also you can put, or else now also you can put little garam masala just for the aromas. Little you can add, just this much is enough, and mix it. So the chicken gravy is ready. So hope you all will like this. Thank you, friends.